Alright, let's go.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Chef Junie's TV.
And who are you?
Amy.
And what is this?
An episode of In the Kitchen.
And what do we do on In the Kitchen?
Make easy and simple recipes in the comfort of your own home.
Right. So what are you making today?
Today we're going to make rice, yellow rice.
Yellow rice.
And green beans.
Green beans.
And lobster cakes.
And lobster cakes. Alright, why are you making this tonight?
Well, first of all, you got to excuse my attire. We are in Miami still in the Airbnb, and I wanted to make dinner.
And that's why we're cooking on this little hot plate right here, because this is just like...
We should have cleaned up.
Alright, so what are you going to do first?
We're going to make the rice first. So, we got the water boiling. So, Chef Junie said this is not how he makes rice. But, oh well. We're going to try something different.
So why are you making the rice first?
Because it takes the longest. So, it only makes sense. Alright, so we'll come back when the rice is done. Okay, so the rice is done. Semi. Oh, it's done. Now I just got to put that in here. Because we got to use this pot again. It's going to take me forever to do this. Okay, now I need to wash this. Yeah.
Alright, tell me, you're going to wash the pot?
I'm going to wash the pot.
And we'll be back?
We'll be back.
To do what?
To do the green beans.
Alright.
Okay, now that we got the pot clean and boiling, we can put some salt. And now we can put our green beans in. Oh shoot. Chef Junie? Okay. We're going to let that boil, and then we'll be back.
How long will that boil for?
10 minutes?
10 minutes sounds good.
Okay. So the green beans are done. I just got to get them out of here. This might not be the best thing, but this is all we have. So now, drain this water.
Now we're done with that pot?
Yep.
So if you need a new sink.
Oh, this is hot. Okay. So now we can grab this. And I already rinsed it. So, butter.
Yep.
Okay.
Probably gonna have to plug back up.
Okay, so now we're about to put butter.
What are we making right now? The crab cakes, the lobster cakes?
Yep.
We'll put the butter.
Should be enough.
Got a little boom action just now. Sorry.
Whoops. Keep it PG. Damn, these smell good. You don't think so?
Use your hands.
No. Don't fall apart on me.
Use your hands.
I wasn't trying to use my hands, but they're clean. Okay. So we'll keep it like that for what? 2 minutes and then flip it?
So what we're gonna do?
Cook them for 2 minutes and then flip it and then another 2 minutes and I think it should be done, right?
I don't know, you chef.
Oh.
I think they're ready to flip.
You're ready.
Oh, look at that golden brown. Yeah.
Oh no.
Beautiful.
So after they're done, we're gonna have a little competition. We're gonna plate these and see who plates them the best, right?
Out of me and you?
Out of you and I, yes. Okay?
Ooh, those look delicious. Don't those look delicious, you guys?
I think they're ready.
Think they're ready?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead and turn off the stove and pull them off. Alright, pull them off and turn off the stove.
Damn, these look good. And they smell good too.
Alright. Tell them we're going to come back and plate them up.
Okay, we're gonna plate them up. I'm about to be back. So I got my plate.
Alright, y'all. So, we're going to have a little plating competition. I'll let Amy take over this video for you guys today. We're going to have a little plating competition, so I'm going to let her plate up her plate. Then I'm going to plate up my plate, and we're going to let you guys judge the winner of the plating competition. But I think she did a pretty good job. The food looks amazing. It smells great. I can't wait to eat it. But we're going to plate them up for you guys, and then we're going to let you guys judge on who the winner is, alright? Alright, you ready to plate?
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. You're in my way. Let me rinse this.
I like that technique. I can do something like that, but it's going to be a little bit. Alrighty.
It stayed.
So that's her plate right there, you guys. I must say, it looks pretty nice. But now I'm going to give you some pointers. It's not very practical. Alright, you got all this rice right here. As soon as you eat into the rice, it's going to spill all over the place.
Duh, this is for looks.
It's just too much crowdedness on the plate.
Whatever.
But it looks amazing. We're gonna plate up my dish now. You want to take over the camera?
Yes.
All right, because I gotta do a couple things.
Okay.
So, I want to make kind of a little sauce, a little butter sauce. I don't really have anything.
The butter's right here. I need it.
I don't really have anything to make the sauce with, but this fake butter. This is not real butter. This is that, you know, spread stuff. So I'm gonna use some of this. Let's turn this back on.
I can't stand you right now. Why you gotta outdo me with sauce?
All right, and then I would use like a red wine or a white wine. I'll probably use like a white, since it's seafood. I'll probably use like a white wine with like maybe some capers and some lemon juice or something like that. But we ain't got nothing like that. We had an Airbnb and we don't have nothing. So we do have some rum, right? So I'll make a little sauce with some butter and some rum. We got some spice rum at that. If I had a lighter, I would do a flambe for you guys. So we're gonna brown this butter a little. Well, it's not butter, so I can't really brown it, but we're gonna use that. We're gonna use a little bit of, just a splash, and then we're gonna let that reduce a little bit. You smell that? That's, oh my goodness, that smells so good. That's that spice rum right there. We're gonna let that reduce a little bit, and then so the practicality that I was saying about her dish, we're gonna use this cup, and hopefully we have a knife sharp enough. Alright, so we're going to use that. Yeah. Alright, that's nice and reduced. Okay. Put that to the side. Now we're going to get my plate. She used a fancy plate over there. So I'm going to use this regular brown plate. And that's my plate, you guys. I wish the sauce was a little bit more richer and fuller, but it's got that spices from the rum and the butter and, you know, everything. So it's gonna be delicious. I wish it was a little more colorful, but that's what we got. So that's her plate. This is her plate. This is my plate.
Back to my plate.
And back to my plate.
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty.
I'm not giving you no camera time.
So you guys pick the winner. Plate one. If Amy win, put Amy in the comment. If I win, put Chef Junie down in the comment. All right. And let me know if you guys like her in these videos. We can do more videos like this. We can incorporate her more into these videos. We can cook together. Or if you guys just want to be pervs and look at her sexy body while she cooks, she can have her own segment. But yeah, so if you guys like this video, I'm gonna let her finish the outro. All right.
What's the outro?
Whatever you want to be the outro.
Hold on.
You don't want to give them too much boobs?
No. What is your outro usually?
Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff.
Oh, but you basically said that, but you didn't say that, but same stuff. Why I gotta give that outro?
Cause it's your video.
Okay, what you want me to say?
Whatever you want to say, it's your video. Do your outro.
I don't have an outro.
Do an outro, whatever type of outro you want to do. If you just want to say bye, just say bye.
Okay. So vote for my plate, the winner, and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Peace. Oh, and I did it with the ugly broken nail.